Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore books that can truly transform your life. Today, we are diving into The Everyday Hero by Robin Sharma, a book that teaches us how ordinary people can lead extraordinary lives. This isn't about fame, fortune, or being a superhero. It's about becoming a hero in your own everyday life, through small, consistent actions that build courage, wisdom, and happiness. If you've ever wondered how to make your daily life meaningful, this book is for you. So, grab a notebook, and let's explore the life changing lessons from the everyday hero. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring summaries like this one. 1. The concept of everyday heroism. Robin Sharma starts by explaining that heroism isn't limited to epic acts of bravery. You don't need a cape to be a hero. Everyday heroism is about showing up consistently, making small positive choices, and creating an impact in the lives of people around you. The book emphasizes three core ideas: courage, facing challenges rather than avoiding them; contribution, adding value to others' lives, no matter how small; consistency, showing up daily, even when it's difficult. The simplest example he gives is helping someone without expecting anything in return. Even small acts, when done regularly, shape your character and influence the world positively. 2. Self-mastery, the foundation of heroism. According to Sharma, being an everyday hero starts with mastering yourself. This means controlling your mind, habits, and emotions. Mind control. Learn to control your thoughts. Negative thinking weakens your power, while positive and focused thinking builds resilience. Habit formation. Small, disciplined actions compound over time. Sharma calls this atomic heroism, where small consistent wins make you unstoppable. Emotional management. Heroes feel fear, sadness, and frustration too. The difference is that they acknowledge these emotions but don't let them dictate actions. He encourages creating a daily routine with intentional practices like meditation, journaling, and reflection. These practices strengthen your inner hero and help you stay calm under pressure. 3. Leadership without authority. One of the powerful lessons in the book is that you don't need a title to be a leader. Leadership is about influence, integrity, and impact. Sharma says, true leaders inspire by example, not by command. Everyday heroes lead in small ways. Listening deeply to others. Offering help without being asked. Showing respect and kindness consistently. Even if you're not in a managerial position, these small acts influence your friends, family, and colleagues. Over time, your behavior becomes contagious, inspiring others to rise to their own heroism. 4. The power of purpose. A central theme of the everyday hero is living with purpose. Purpose fuels energy, focus, and courage. Without purpose, we drift through life, reacting instead of creating. Sharma recommends: 1. Identify what truly matters to you. 2. Align your daily actions with that purpose. 3. Focus on long-term fulfillment, not instant gratification. He stresses that heroes don't wait for permission or recognition. They act on their values and principles every day. By living purposefully, you inspire others and create lasting impact. 5. Overcoming fear and resistance. Fear is a natural part of life, but everyday heroes don't let it control them. Sharma breaks fear into two types: external fear, fear of failure, rejection, or loss; internal fear, self-doubt, procrastination, and limiting beliefs. The key is to face these fears head on. Take small risks daily. Step out of your comfort zone regularly. Celebrate small wins to build courage. By confronting fear consistently, you grow stronger and more confident, which is a hallmark of everyday heroism. 6. The importance of discipline and focus. Sharma emphasizes that talent alone doesn't create heroes. Discipline does. Everyday heroes follow routines that nurture health, mind, and spirit. Avoid distractions that waste time and energy. Focus on high-value actions that align with their purpose. This discipline creates momentum. Even when motivation fades, disciplined action ensures progress, and over time, ordinary people achieve extraordinary results. 7. Contribution and service. A hero is measured not only by personal success but by the impact on others. Sharma teaches that serving others creates fulfillment and joy. Small acts of kindness ripple outward, influencing communities. Leadership is meaningless without service. He encourages readers to integrate contribution into daily life. This could mean mentoring, helping a neighbor, volunteering, or simply being a supportive friend. 8. Living fully every day. Finally, the book reminds us that everyday heroism includes living fully in the present. Heroes appreciate the small moments. Avoid postponing happiness for the future. Pursue experiences that enrich their mind, body, and soul. Sharma urges us to balance achievement with presence, chasing goals while enjoying the journey. This balance is what separates ordinary lives from heroic lives. 9. Real life stories and examples. Throughout the book, Sharma shares stories of ordinary people achieving extraordinary results. These examples show that heroism is universal and accessible to everyone. Courage and discipline matter more than wealth or fame. Small, consistent actions create legacy. Each story reinforces the idea that you don't have to wait for a big moment to start being a hero. Every day is an opportunity to act with courage, kindness, and purpose. So, friends, the main takeaway from The Everyday Hero is simple yet powerful. You can be a hero every single day. It's not about grand gestures, it's about courage, discipline, contribution, and living with purpose. Start small. Make positive choices. Serve others. Master yourself. And most importantly, show up every day as the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing book summaries. Remember, heroism isn't about waiting for the world to notice. It's about creating a life that matters quietly, consistently, and courageously.